Hello everyone, welcome once again for the Electrical and Electronics Measurement course. I am Professor A.K. Kulkarni. As we already started with Module 2, that is measurement of power, energy, power factor and frequency. So in previous session we discussed about the working of dynamometer type of wattmeter and the various errors which is going to occur in the dynamometer type of the wattmeter. In detail we studied in our previous session. Now let us move to the another topic of this module, that is lag adjustment devices. So due to these errors, so we observed various errors in the dynamometer type of wattmeter, right? So how we are going to overcome from these errors? So we are going to see. So with the help of these lag adjustment devices, so those errors can be eliminated. There are two types of devices we are going to see. One is with the help of shading coil on central limb of the shunt magnet, and another one is with the help of shading bands. So with the help of these shading coils and shading bands, we can adjust the errors which is going to occur in the dynamometer type of the wattmeter. So in one by one we are going to study in detail about these lag adjustment devices. So we'll start with the using the shading coil on the central limb of the shunt magnet. So this is the circuit representation for the shading coil, which is wounded on the central limb of the shunt magnet like this. Okay, so this is the central limb and the shading coil is wounded around this central limb, and there are an adjustable resistance and adjustable small resistance is provided for this shading coil. So we can increase or decrease the resistance value of this shading coil with the help of this adjustment bridge, which is in between the shading coil and this small resistance. Okay, so shading coil is of a very few thick turns which is placed around the central limb of the magnet, and the circuit is closed with the help of small resistance. So this shading coil is wounded on the central limb of the shunt magnet, and it is closed, and this entire circuit is closed with the help of this small resistance. As the resistance of this circuit is altered, the phase angle between phi 2 and voltage is also altered. So with the help of if I increase or decrease the resistance value with the help of this adjustable resistance, so we can increase or decrease the flux and as well as the voltage across this shading coil. So if I decrease the flux value, ultimately we are going to decrease the flow of current through the coil. So in this way we can minimize the error which is going to occur in our dynamometer type of the wattmeter. And another case is what? In increase in the resistance of the coil, as I told, decreases the current through it and the magnetomotive force, due to which the phase angle and the V voltage increases. Okay, so what does it mean? So if I increase this resistance value with the help of this adjustable small resistance, so the entire resistance of the shading coil will be increased. So with the increase in the resistance of the shading coil, the current flowing through this coil will get decreased, and also the mmf created by it also decreases, in which increases the voltage value. So in this way we can decrease the error which is going to occur in the dynamometer type of the wattmeter. Now let us see another lag adjustment device, that is shading band. So this is the schematic representation of the shading bands. So the shading band, it is mounted on the central limb of the shunt magnet like this, and we can see it clearly that it is attached to the central limb with the help of some screws like this shading bands. Okay, so shading band usually it is made up of copper. So the copper shading bands are placed around the central limb of the shunt magnet, which can be moved up and down the axis of the central lamp. Okay, so these shading bands can be moved up and downward in downward direction on the central limb of the shunt magnet. As the shading bands are moved up the limb, so suppose if this shading band is there, right? If it is moved above in this direction, what will happen? So due to that, it embraces the more flux, resulting the great values of mmf induced in them, and the angle between voltage increases. So if the shading band is moved in the above direction, due to that, what will happen? The flux created by this central limb will increase its capacity. So due to that, what will happen? The EMF induced in them and the angle between voltage will get increases now. Now second case is when the shading band is moved downward the limb. Now suppose the shading band is moved downward the limb, the angle decreases now. So due to that, what will happen? It is possible and make this angle very nearly to the 90 degree. So the shading, if the shading band is uh, moved towards a downward position, what will happen? The angle between voltage and current is nearly 90 degree, which means both are in phase with each other. Using any of these above methods, it is possible to make the shunt flux to lag behind the applied voltage by nearly 90 or equal to 90 degree. So this is also called as lag adjustment. Okay, so this method is also called as what? Lag adjustment device. So we can adjust the lagging of the flux, or you can call the current, and the voltage can be adjusted. The angle between voltage and current can be adjusted with the help of the shading bands. Either can moving upward direction, either can moving the shading band in downward direction. Suppose if the shading band is moved in the upward direction, it is nearly in phase with each other. Both current and voltage are will be in phase with each other. If suppose the shading band is moved in downward direction, both the voltage and current will be approximately equal to the 90 degree apart from each other. So in this way, we can increase or decrease the flux created by this central limb magnet, shunt magnet. So we can control whatever the error is happening in the dynamometer can be controlled with the help of these shading bands. Okay, so there are two types of the lag adjustment device, one with the help of shading coil, another one with the help of shading bands. So hope the lag adjustment devices is clear. Thank you.